Salutations again, welcome back to my channel. I do hope each and every one of you are keeping safe and practicing social distancing as well. So today I am just going to do a quick unboxing. It's not really a pack, it's not really a box, it's just a little envelope, but I'm grateful nonetheless. So I'm going to give you guys my first impression on these fragrances. All right, so I'm a little under the weather, however I decided that I received a package that I've been dying to get for weeks. As a matter of fact, I believe it's months now. So it's finally here, and I wanted to just share the experience with you, with each and every one of you out there. All right, so this one is, I believe, from the house of Masque Milano, and I believe I did a review some weeks ago, or was it weeks ago? I should believe it's weeks ago. Yeah, I believe I did a review on Tango, which was the first fragrance I received from that house. I got a sample with a purchase sometime last year, and I really enjoyed it, which led to a full bottle purchase in which I got that one in a raffle win. So I reached out to Masque Milano, and they were generous enough to send me some samples, so I believe it's there. I believe these are the samples. If not, you guys won't see this video. If you do, then it definitely is Masque Milano fragrances. So I have my scissors. Let me just open the package. Yep, it is from the house of Masque Milano. Wow. So one, let me count them. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe these are 2 ml samples. Wow. So the first one I'm seeing right here is ROMANZA, and this one, it has the perfumer name on the front, which is Cristiano Canali and Victorian Narcissus. That's ROMANZA Victorian Narcissus. Not sure if I'm getting it correctly, but this one, and it has a lot of details at the back. The appearance, Dandy's touch. Oh wow. So nice. So basically it's telling about the top, mid and base, in which it says orange blossom, angelic. Anyways, let me not read out the notes and let me just get straight to testing these fragrances. So these are 2 mls. Let me try the first one, which is ROMANZA. I have the other 4 right here in front of me. This is the first one I'm going to spray. I like to test them directly on the skin. Wow. Oh. This one is a little tricky. So I'm getting some florals in this one. I'm also getting like some green accord in this one, like some leaves. I believe patchouli is in this one as well. They are a little spicy, but I'm definitely picking up the florals and the green notes and the patchouli in this one. This one is nice. ROMANZA. I will be checking out the notes on these fragrances later on, but for now I'm just giving you guys my first impression. So my first impression and thoughts on ROMANZA is it's nice. It's well blended. I think I can pull off this one. It doesn't lean all that feminine, but I think it will smell better on a woman right now. It's nice. Whew. Wow, nice. All right, the next one I'm going to try is KINTSUGI. I hope I pronounced that one correctly. I'm not butchering the name. So let me spray this one, and the perfumer for this one is Vanina Moraciol. I hope I pronounced that one correctly again. So, wow, ROMANZA. Nice. Anyhow, let me just get the next one. Let me give it some time. Hold on. Woo! This one, oh, this one is really nice. I'm trying to see if I'm detecting vetiver in this one. Wow, 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 wow. This is sort of greenish as well, but this one is sweet, getting hints of floral. It has this creamy vibe I'm getting. Wow. Hold on, let me look at the back of this one. It has amber, grass, violet leaves, raspberry, patchouli, benzoin, bergamot, magnolia. Wow, the floral in this one is way more pronounced than in the other one, but this one is really nice as well. All in all, I'm really digging these two. However, tango is the one that I really enjoy from the house the most. I'm hoping that one of these might kick the spot away from tango, right? Wow, wow, wow. So ROMANZA has changed a little bit. Impressive. All right, so let me leave these. I'm not going to smell about those right now. I'd rather smell them when I get home, but for now, I just want to give you guys my thoughts on these. So this is TERRALBA, and this one is from Delphine Theory. Immediately, this one is aromatic. Wow. Woo. There is something in this one that I'm very familiar with. No, it cannot be. It definitely cannot be. I'm getting some spices. I'm getting a hint of like curry powder. That's something that we love here in Jamaica, and I love to cook curry dishes. But I've never smelled a fragrance with the curry notes. I don't think this is curry. Wow, it has like some lemon accord as well. Hold on, where are the notes again? At the back. It has clary sage, lemon. Yes, I definitely get the lemon. It has green tangerine, myrtle, thyme, curry leaves, everlasting flower, juniper, cypress, cedarwood. Wow. I am getting the curry in this one, and that is just amazing. Wow. This one is called TERRALBA. All right, so I must say I'm amazed with this one. I am really digging this one. I'm digging all three of them, but the curry in this one just stands out to me. Whoa. Anyhow, Hemingway next, and this one is from Funnyball. The good thing about these fragrances is that I recently learned something. The Roman numerals at the top, I believe the first one represents, is it the series or something like that? And the second one represents the position in terms of, I don't remember exactly. But there was a live I was tuned into Saturday, and it was very informative. My bro, Mr. Cologne, or Glenn, I really appreciate those lives, and I just want to give you a shout out. Keep doing the good work, all right, bro? So the fourth one I'm going to test is Hemingway. Immediately I can smell this one. Why am I'm getting some form of cucumber feel. It's fresh, aromatic cucumber. Wow. Not sure if it's leather I'm picking up in this one either, but this one is, it's nice, but if I should place this one, I would place this one last. Right now it's running in fourth with all of these that I've tried. Ginger oil, rhubarb. Yes, I'm definitely picking up the rhubarb in this one. Vetiver, patchouli, and it's oily as well. It's definitely oily, yes, and it definitely has leather as well, and patchouli in this one. So all in all, this one, not digging this one much, but let me see as time progresses if I like this one or not. But it's definitely oily, this one. So the last one I'm going to be trying is LUCI Ed Ombre, and this one is from Mio Fucini. Where should I put this one? Right here. Now this one is sweet. It has like this tropical feel. I believe, I'm not sure if it's coconut, but it does have that tropical vibe to me. It's sweet, it's creamy as well. Hold on. So the notes in this one, it says incense, it has ginger, tuberose, jasmine, moss. It has wounded, no, those aren't notes down there. I'm not seeing all the notes on this one, but this one does smell tropically to me. It's creamy as well. It's very smooth. I am liking this one. Wow. This one changed. Leather. Ooh. So all in all, I like all five, but one I like less than the others. So these are really nice fragrances from the house of Masque Milano. Again, these are like the 6 fragrances I've tried from the house, and I'm really impressed with this house. If you have tried the house, leave a comment down below on the ones that you really like. All right. So I'm your boy Ja. Again, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Peace. I am out. I hope you enjoyed this video.